All right. I don't know if you can see that V8 engine there, but nothing works. So now I have to figure out what that means. I guess while I'm here, go ahead and take this off. I have a feeling this is just going to be a series of removal of parts and maybe a rebuild. I don't know. I hesitate to say a rebuild because it might just have to be a whole new engine. Great. That didn't work. Okay, that one did. Well, great. Came all the way out. Let's see what's going on in there. I mean, that looks okay. Definitely can get home with that if it started, which it doesn't. Sweet. Anyway. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty scary. Don't even know what I'm looking at. No, I do see work I did. I can't believe it works. Because that's nasty as crap. Oh yeah, weren't we doing this so that we could see what the spark plugs looked like? I think we were. Let's take a look at this first one, huh? Ooh, aye. Ooh, aye. That's no good. It's no good, Fluffy. That's no good. That one, that wire might not be good. Right. You know, I put the dielectric grease on there. It's supposed to pop off. But it's not. Hey, I got it out. That's awesome. Well, it definitely burnt through the sheathing on this one. Oh yeah, that's cracked. You can't see it over there, can you? Hold on, maybe, yeah, right there. On the back, that. So that sucks. Screwed that up. Probably need a new wire there. Assuming everything else is okay. Yeah, I don't know. 1, 2. So now I need to get that plug out. Okay, I took out this here plug. And I'm gonna say it looks bad. It's the iridium one, and kind of looks rusty. I mean, there's water in there. I don't know. That's scary. See what happens. Take the rest of them out. So while I'm doing my visual exam, I don't know if you can see. Not really over here, but right there. I believe that might be what's called the blown head gasket. I don't know. Let's give it look-see. Alright, well, let's see what it looks like when it tries to turn over. Oh, it doesn't have one spark plug in though. Huh. Probably don't want that to be the case, huh? I guess it's on-ish. Let's see what it looks like when we try and start it. Were the squirters squirting? Don't forget, that goes back on this thing right here. I think that might be the PCV valve. I don't know. Alright.
Should get you some starter fluid.
Might actually be better with 2-stroke oil along with this so that it greases the upper end. Oh, that's way too much. Hold on. That's perfect.
Look at how he
open that baby.
You're gonna be able to fix your car.
Well, I went over there and I found myself a burnt out fuse with the words trans underneath it. Doesn't seem like it makes that big of a difference. But, you know, after you pay $1,000 for a tow, maybe you should check the fuses afterwards. Let's see what happens with the old key, shall we? Bring the thunder, as the guy would say. Well, look at that.